Okay guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to run meta ads to your WhatsApp group using the engagement campaign objective. Alright, so please do well to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel and put on your notification bell, alright, for more videos on how to grow on any social media channel, be it your YouTube, your TikTok, your Instagram, your X. We got you covered. Today we are going to look at how to run meta ads to your WhatsApp group. All right. If you want to build a community where you probably engage them, this video is for you. Let get go done. Let's go to our ad manager. Click on create. Um, our previous video on how to run meta ad to WhatsApp group using this traffic objective, right? Check up there, you see the link. All right, now today we are going to do for the engagement campaign objective. All right, click here. Yes, of course we're going to do it manual engagement setup. Okay, for this let's say YouTube channel growth. All right, like I said in our previous video, the best budget strategy for engagement and leads, I'll use campaign budget. Yeah, definitely I will always go with campaign budget. It has been tested over time and trusted. All right, I think this will cover for 1 month. Your budget is too low, your budget is too low, your campaign must 54. Okay, it will reflect. Please, let's move on. I mean, this 1.2, yeah, it has cleared. Okay, you see there, it will clear off. Come here. All right, rename this. Let me see. Okay, I see have this YouTube channel groups. All right, don't worry about the naming conversion. Let me just fill on that. Okay, conversion location, not on your ad, please. We have message destination, very very important. Yeah, message destination, that's you are sending people to your message destination. Okay, let's look at okay, what page, what page. Yeah, okay, you can untick your messenger since we are running ads to WhatsApp group. But if you are running ads to your messenger, all right, you can use this. If you are running ads to your Instagram DM, you can use it. But since it is to WhatsApp, we are dealing with WhatsApp, right? We just have to keep this active. Yeah, maximum number of conversion, of course. Let's take that. And it is for 1 month. uh let's just take this, right? We are targeting the whole Nigeria. 18 to, okay, show more options, please. Okay, okay. Let's see, 18 to 40 or 45, and yeah, about, this is of course our gender. We are not taking any interest or behaviors, alright, so that is not what we want now. Yeah, our placement will still be on advanced plus. Alright, since we are targeting all placements. Okay, YouTube channel growth, channel growth. Alright, you set up your creative, please. Very important. We can just come and just pick any prompt that suits well, just for the sake of this tutorial. I mean, alright. Yeah, chat with us should be your headline, or if you have any good headline you want to use, you can use that, please. Then you can also come here, call to action, send to WhatsApp. You can also change that. You can also have all this, but since we are sending people to WhatsApp, our WhatsApp group, it should be the best. I think I'll have to redefine my image. Yeah, I love to add background music to my still images. Translation. Let's skip this. In my previous video on how to run meta ads to WhatsApp group using the traffic objective, I made mention of the language selection. You don't need it except if you are targeting multiple countries. All right. Okay. Then come here. Yeah, come here. You can create template. In my previous video, right, I've showed you guys how to create new template. Well, so I'm going to my saved templates. All right, I use the ones I've created before for this. Let me open this. If you see what I have. All right, yeah, I have my WhatsApp group here. As you can see, I've already filled this. This is visit website. All right, please, if you don't know how to create this, you can refer back to um my previous video. Just check up, you see the link there. All right, so we'll definitely have to use this. That this will definitely direct people to your WhatsApp group. I've already filled in my WhatsApp link here. All right, it's already here. Then that's all you need. The next is to publish, but because we are not doing anything, we can just hit publish. All right, so that is it, guys. Please do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, and turn on your notification button for more videos. All right, thank you very much, guys.